Yo, what's up, guys? How are you all? So today we're playing with my guy, Dragon Ivory, Yusa, Tomikotosa, and Hollow Gamer here. They are just to be sure, all of these guys are the same person. So we are playing a stiff standoff 2v2s right now. Bro, by the way, what biscuit were you eating?
Princess. Okay, and what did
The
you just
best
say?
weapon.
What
The
did you just say?
shit. And it's an inside joke. It's an inside joke. If you don't understand anything we're saying, it's inside jokes. Mostly they're inside jokes. Mostly the shit we say on this channel are inside jokes. Bro, this is enough.
Bro, why
I'm
is my
using the
revolver
knife.
not revolving?
Your rival. How did he kill me there, bro? I was behind him.
My revolver is not revolving, bro.
You are the best revolver player I know, and you don't know how to use the revolver. Your
Bro,
revolver
my
ain't
revolver is not
revolving, real
revolving.
bro. Your revolver
Revolver.
ain't revolving. Biggest lies in history. My revolver ain't revolving.
Oh, now it is.
No, holy flick,
How did
holy
I hit
flick,
that?
holy flick.
Did you hit that time?
Yeah, I killed it. Holy flick.
More like holy spam.
Nah, hide, win. I revolvered someone. You revolvered the other. Let's go.
But if you only use knife and then dash attack them.
Nah, I lose. If we only use knife, they should have 150 HP. Then I'm willing to use knife.
Why? What's wrong with one? Easier.
Bro, it has 1 HP, and they have freaking revolvers to kill us. I killed one.
And I fell down.
I killed the other.
Hey, stop killing them. Wait, the knife is a dash now.
You didn't know that.
Oh, no, I'm just saying
Someone
we should
tell
just.
this guy that he's a freaking idiot.
Bro, look.
We use it for
Quick melee.
movement. I know it. I know it. I know. Don't try to tell me. I know it.
No quick melee, but I'm saying it's quick melee movement.
Yeah, it's like scythe. Where is he?
He was
You
upon
stole
me.
my kill. You stole my kill.
Bro, he was coming upon me, and then I was like,
Upon me. Wow.
he
English
was like,
Pro Max. English Pro Max. Bro, cooked. I got cooked. I got. He's behind a sofa. He's behind the sofa, you anta. Wow.
you see my revolver?
Bro, he has the sheriff skin. I want the sheriff skin so bad.
No, honestly, I prefer the deagle.
Give me any skin.
Honestly, any weapon skin is good.
Except for the burst. The skin I have. That skin is the worst skin ever.
Yeah, how did he knife me?
I did.
No, he knifed me. You did not knife me.
Yeah, obviously I didn't knife you. Oh wow.
What? You did not even hit little
Oh,
profile.
I
Okay,
won. I win. I am the MVP. So, again, start it again. This is actually fun.
No. Bro, it's not fun for me.
It is. Let's one more. Then we'll play something else. Like 2v2s. One more, please. Mom says it's time for shift standoff.
Okay, how about we do a swift standoff infinite
In what?
in Ohio?
There's
A
not a
flash?
map. No,
I think
no.
I'm
There's no. You're having eardrums. Tell your eardrums to shut the hell up. There's.
I'm hearing him.
Check if he's in your house. Bro broke into your house.
No, maybe it's in your house and I'm hearing him there.
Nah, it's my totas. It's my. You know what I mean.
Oh, they're making a press. No.
Bro,
my
they're so bad at their job they don't even know how to mimic their own voice. What are you talking about? How are you supposed to be?
boy and your boy.
Bro, everyone is standing still for me. And my revolver has infinite ammo.
Oh yeah, the double ammo thing.
No, it has infinite ammo because of lag. I almost died right there. Oh shit, I'm dying here because of my lag. Lag
Yeah,
Pro
bro. Now
Max.
the Singapore server is so bad.
Yeah, this is Singapore. How did he kill me? I hit first. Mom, he hit me.
Bro, you ain't Justin, okay?
But I am Bieber.
No, Justin and Bieber.
I know what you're trying to say. Everyone is standing still for me. I don't even know how I killed him. I'm coming to help you, little bro. Yeah, you died, obviously.
That is nice. If they're staying like that, that just feels nice.
Where is he?
I don't know.
I get this video can't get this. Bro,
I
why is he running away? How did he kill me?
You were standing still.
No, I was. I'm freezing. Yeah, it's my lag, probably.
You forgot to move and your lag just freezed you.
Yeah.
Okay,
How did he? How? I don't understand. Bro, what is this
Bro, I
bug
was gonna
thing?
knife someone like me.
Okay, I'm knifing them. Shut up. I'm becoming a pro knifer with 1 HP.
Now wait, they're gonna come here. Yeah,
You
okay.
got good. How did he kill me and I didn't? Let me spam a revolver. We're spamming now. Look, spamming works.
Bro, you're standing still for me, but my damage is not stopped.
I have hit. What was I doing? Not my fault. We are not
See, bro,
doing. It's my freaking lag.
nobody that's the problem.
I'm sleepy. Bro, online class will not happen from tomorrow, right? This was the last online class.
Yes.
Let's go. Where is Takuna? Takuna, I want Takuna.
Why? Hey, yo, bro, that sounds fast now. Ahmad, you wanna know who's the most powerful superhero in fixing?
Gojo
Surprise attack.
Satoru.
No,
Gojo
surprise
Satoru.
attack.
Oh yeah, you're talking
Surprise
about
attack.
that. No, he's not. No, he's not. And oh wow, you said no, I'd win.
Oh,
Gojo.
everybody expects.
Oh
Everybody
bro, it's
expects.
normal. Ah shit, I forgot.
Everybody expects Gojo to win, so that's a surprise if surprise attack wins. But if we know he's gonna win and he doesn't win, it's gonna be a surprise, which means it's a surprise he wins. Surprise attack is immortal.
To confuse yourself, you must confuse your opponent.
Type shit.
Gojo Satoru, Gojo just making a domain expansion and typing shit himself. Oh, bhai, what the hell? I'm running. You deal with them. I did 50 damage to one.
Okay, they're using revolver, but somehow their revolver is revolvering better than mine.
Yeah. That's the thing. They're revolvering too good.
No, but my automatic is not working properly.
He did a no scope. You know what? Frick it. I'm using
Oh,
shorty.
no,
I'm using your thing. Why?
Shotgun.
No shorty. They're coming close. I can hear the footsteps. I see the other one. You got cooked.
I'm alive.
I know. I don't know. I know. Bro, where is he? Bro, you stole my kill actually.
You didn't even touch him once.
It was a headshot. It would have been the best headshot in existence. It would have been a clip. But you said nah. I'd win.
No, I just did this. I flipped him.
He's coming. He's coming close. He's coming close. Bro, you didn't even heal.
I was trying to heal, but the sniper is there.
Shut up.
There's a sniper.
He's healing. The sniper is healing. Hello, motherfucker. Oh, he also has shorty. How did he go through that?
That guy. Emma, how about you try the Uzi?
How would I like the freaking crossbow that I've been thinking to use, but I ain't using? Because it's been It's very buffed. Now he's also using the crossbow, obviously. I killed one, and you
Okay.
died too.
The sniper is on 50 HP.
He will revive. Don't. He will do med. Yeah, he did med.
So he was on 50 HP. Now he's gonna be on 90 or 100.
900. Now he's
Okay.
50. Oh shit. Bro, I'm about to die here. Oh, yaar.
70? How
That's
much
not
did he make?
possible. He full medded. How to do a half med? I don't know that part.
Oh, the quick melee?
No, the half
Quick
med.
utility. Half med is quick utility.
What is quick utility?
Bro, I need heals. Bro, I need heals.
You go, I will handle these. Actually, I'm taking both of them on me. Don't worry. I'm about to die, but still. I'll keep this up. Oh yeah, I'm dead. Let me heal. Yeah, you died.
Bro, they both stay together. Bro, one of them just somehow molotovs us, and then they have auto aim or something.
Bro, how is he
Ahmad, they have
killing
side
me?
advantage. I don't know. These guys are probably hacking. They have side advantage as well.
I have one thing that can destroy the universe. I have this loadout that can probably destroy the universe.
Ahmad, you stay far. I'm going close.
I am going close. Shut the hell up.
But
You
don't
don't
go
know
close.
what I'm using. They don't expect me to use freaking cringe shit.
And they don't expect me to use shotgun.
I'm going to block all the ways he can go. Now try to get off this trampoline. Killed one. This is the thing. This is what we can do in life properly. He's full HP. At least I got one. He's using shorty. So stay away. Stay away, he's using shorty. Run, 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 please run. Yes. Thank God.
Now I win. Okay, Ahmad, now you go
You
close.
know, bro. My only when I will be using the like when I buy, I'm going close. When I buy them like the energy pistols or flamethrower, I ain't gonna use it until and unless I'm losing or until and unless I get pay to win players.
Okay, yeah, how is it? Bro, Ahmad, listen, we both are on same ground. I can, when I'm on low ground,
Your
I'm
auto
getting.
tell your auto aim to get better.
No, Ahmad, when I'm on low ground, I'm getting sniped. When I'm on high ground, I'm getting headshot. No, sorry, when I'm on low ground, I'm getting headshot. When I'm on high ground, I'm getting headshot. Like, what is this headshot percentage? Like, do they have buff? Yeah, look.
Bro, he's hacking.
I think they probably buffed their auto aim or auto shoot.
Or they buff themselves.
Or maybe they, or no, or maybe they're playing on their servers so they used to it. And we're not.
Probably. Bro, POV Nosny gives PC players auto aim. Let him
PC
cook. I'll
Bro,
cook them.
PC players have a gigantic screen, many things. Man, it's very easy to use. Meanwhile, you're
Yeah, why? Splash would have been better. I want Splash. I don't know why.
You want to get splashed.
I want to
get the
become.
white splash?
I want to get. Oh shit, bro! Don't talk that. This is a kids channel.
Hey, bro, they don't know what it is. Okay, how it is not 40% know what that is.
Shut up.
Oh,
Hello, motherfucker. I did 50 damage to the bacon. Let me heal. Let me heal.
I also did see.
He's. I'm good. Yeah.
Ahmad, quick utility is how you quickly throw the Molotov and quickly and do a half heal.
Bro, I don't know what is quick utility. Shut up.
Bro, just go on your settings and you can see it. Okay, it's not that hard.
It is for me.
Finding something which you can easily find.
Yeah. Bro, that was a trick shot. That was a trick shot. Yeah, I did. I did. I'm not saying I didn't. I did steal your kill.
yourself. Stealing kills.
It is very good thing in life. You stole my kill right there. You're stealing my kill right now. Wait, someone is coming close. He's coming. Oh, yeah, both of them are using sniper. What the hell am I supposed to do? You stole my kill right there. And he stole my kill. And he stole your kill. Kill him. He's trying to use sniper. I mean, you understand what I mean. The freaking knife. He's pay to win. He's to pay to win AF. We can't buy those the knife skin he has. We can only buy it. It can't be in the skin cases or the daily shop. It was a limited edition for the last season. You're cooking people and he's coming close, so you get him in my range. Get him in. Never mind, he's in my range.
And of course, yeah. Okay, yeah, he also has the height.
Did you at least do damage? Let him come close. Let him come close. Let's do a knife battle, bro. Let's do a knife battle, bro.
Get from his cooler. And that.
Come on, little bro. Come in.
Think outside like a smart person. He has one brain cell.
Where is bro?
That bacon was coming and I was quickly go just kill the bacon. I did 50 damage to him, I may add. So
he's 10 HP. He's 10 HP.
How?
He's 10 HP. He was 10 HP.
I'm not honestly sight.
Psych!
You should use the sight.
Nah, I'd win. I love knife.
Life or knife?
Both. He's coming, I will handle him. Oh shit, I have fell. You need to run, I will handle him. Why did you kill me? Forgot that part. Yeah, I think you killed me. It looked like you killed me. You can cook this up. Never mind.
I was attacking both of them, my dad. I'm not,
Listen. I'm going close with knife. You stay far away. Far away means far the hell away.
Oh, so I should run away.
Yes. Run the hell away. Oh shit,
okay,
I'm dead. Bro, can you please? Okay, the other guy is very low. When I mean very, I mean very, very, very. He's very, very low. Like this low.
You killed him. Ahmed, the bacon was coming towards you, so I just shot
you. Use the shorty. Yeah, good idea. Use the shorty. If they come close, you use shorty because you don't know how to use the knife properly.
I know.
You know how to, but you don't know how to use it properly.
Wait.
Let me hit a quick.
Bro, what is your job? Your job is keeping them far away and letting them snipe.
Bro, they did snipe from far away. Let me use shorty. I can't risk it. I have to use. You have you. I can't. Nah, medkit we win. What the hell is this guy using? Hello? Aja. Oh, come on. Let's do it. Bro, let me do a knife battle. What the hell?
No.
Okay, that's all for today's video. I will make another video.